diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne. I'm here today with an unboxing that I'm super excited about. A bit misleading. It's not Mary's Diamonds. They were just using up the rest of the boxes. This is actually a kit from Bella Art Diamonds, and this is going to be the first kit of my Want to Do series. And I have been in love with this image since I very first saw it. It actually was, I believe, sold by the old Mary's Diamonds, and in between them closing and then getting bought out by Bella Art, I missed getting this one. So when I saw that they brought it back, I was super excited and snagged it as soon as I could because I love this image. So I'm going to get everything out of the box and then we're going to dive in. Don't go anywhere. All right, we've got our canvas, we've got our toolkit. It comes with a little Bella tray, and let me unroll this. I'm just going to get the drills out, roll the canvas back the other direction, and then we will look at the canvas and all of the drills and all of the other goodies, the toolkit and everything. All right, so we've got our drills here. Look at those. So pretty. It is a square kit, as you can see. We'll get into those in a minute. So what is in our toolkit? Let's look and see. We've got our separate little Bella tray here, and then we have all of these pieces. So we have our little container with the plates of blue wax that for some reason likes to come undone during travel. We've got a red scrunchie. We've got, ooh, I like it when they're very sharp and pointy, some very sharp and pointy tweezers. And then we have our diamond painting pen with a 3-placer, a 6 and a 9-placer, extra tips for multi-placing, and we have some very nice kind of red chevron washi tape. All right, so that is what is in the toolkit. I like these bags too for toolkits. Sometimes I find they try to kind of make the bags too small, like it's just the width or the height of the diamond painting pen, and so you end up with stuff poking out the bottom. I like it when they give you some extra room. That's nice. All right, and then what kit am I doing? Because we do have pre-cut stickers here. Ta-da! We are doing Harajuku from Tony Kylo. I hope I'm pronouncing those correctly. I have just, like I said, been in love with this image since the first time I saw it. My daughter is a big fan of the anime manga style, and I am in love with kawaii stuff, so I really just love this image. So you've got the girl with all the little confetti sprinkles on her face. She's got a band-aid across her nose, and then you just have like all these little hair pins in her hair. There's a panda, a heart, a flower, a star. There's a ladybug, a watermelon slice, a sunflower. She's got a band-aid down here, and then of course you've got her hand with all the different painted fingernails. I love the hearts on the knuckles of her glove, the bow in her hair, and I just really like the color palette. The kind of candy pink of her hair and the background with the like baby blue of this other side of the background, and then the purple of her gloves and her hat. I just really like this one. So it is a 60 by 60, and it's got 60 colors, including 5 ABs. So 5 ABs is a lot. I actually may add some more into that. I'm really actually liking my new system so far of storing my ABs. It makes it so much easier to go through and find things. I just flip through the pages instead of opening my spreadsheet and hunting through and trying to match up numbers, and then I have to go to my boxes, my spare drill boxes, and find the numbers. And yeah, this has just been way easier. So we've got 60 colors, which means I should be able to fit it in a bottle case, a 60 bottle case. So it'll fit in that. I might use my Elizabeth Ward just because I'm assuming that the pink and the blue and maybe the purple will have enough drills that maybe I need a big container and I won't be able to fit everything in just one small bottle container. We'll see what I have available when I go to kit it up. So let me go grab the canvas so we can look at that. Be right back. All right, so I can't get the entire canvas on the screen, but I will make sure to do some B-roll so that you guys can see that. But you can see up here, we've got Bella Art and their logo. They've got a hashtag. They've got their websites because, of course, they sell the diamond painting kits on bellaartdiamonds.com, but you can get all of their trays and everything else at bellaartdanicole.com. I love how it looks. We've got a schematic on both sides, and this schematic is upside down, so if you are like me and someone who rotates your canvas as you work on it, that is very helpful. And yeah, I'm just looking at this. So we've got her bow, we've got the ladybug here, the shooting star, we've got the cat face, we've got the flower, we've got the heart down here, of course her big eyes, and the band-aid across her nose. And then we've got the panda here, we've got her fingers, the gloves with the heart over the knuckles, another band-aid, the sunflower, the watermelon slice. It's so nice and colorful, and I think it's going to be a fun mix of confetti and multi-placing, because in looking at this you can see there's a lot of multi-placing on her face, but then some confetti up here where all the kind of like donut sprinkle confetti is, and of course her eyes are kind of confetti heavy, but you do have in the background some nice multi-placing. Her hair, there's some multi-placing, even though her hair has got confetti in it. Not all of it will be that way, but big sections on both sides for the background. And then down at the bottom here, we've got Bella Art Dana Cole. We've got the name of the piece and the artist it's licensed from, 60 by 60, and then all of Bella Art's socials over here. I'm, like I said, so excited. I can't wait to see how this one turns out. So 60 by 60, so let's measure. It is right at 60 on the button. Let me turn it this way and we'll see how it measures this way. It is skosh less, maybe 1 millimeter less than 60 this way. Yeah, 1 millimeter less. So 60 by 60, pretty spot on. Kind of funny, as I'm looking at her band-aid, it kind of reminds me of like a controller, a game controller a little bit, with all, you know, you hold it like this with the screen in the middle. That's kind of funny. Okay, so 60 colors. I'm showing you the canvas. Like I said, I'll do some B-roll so that you guys can see the rest of it. But let's get into our drills. Oh my goodness, you guys, so many colors. And this one right off the bat, I've got 2 bags of this cotton candy kind of baby pink. Absolutely love this color, so excited to see that one in there. And then we've got a purple, a very light purple. We've got black. That's actually not too much black, considering that her eyes and a lot of the outlining, the cat and everything else kind of get outlines in black. So one bag is not bad. A dark purple, kind of a salmon color, a brick red. We've got another dark purple, a lighter purple, and then, oh my goodness, look at all of these shades of pink. So we've got like a pale pink, another pink. It's a little bit darker in color than the first one. 2 bags of that. Then we've got kind of a blush pink, kind of a mulberry pink, and then kind of a reddish pink. Then we've got a red. We've got a purple, an orange, a yellow, a pale yellow, a pale green. Then we've got a blue, a brick red, a very pale pink, a dark blue, that is like a coral, another kind of bubblegum pink, a green, a dark green, kind of a medium green, a mulberry, a slightly less dark mulberry, and then we've got a big bag of peach. I'm going to assume that's for her face. More pinks. We've got another kind of dark pink, kind of a mauvey pink, some more baby pink in a slightly different shade, and some kind of sea green. We've got a darker peach, kind of a marigold, a butterscotch. That is a very light mauve. I thought it was gray at first. Another kind of blush pink, a very dark rose pink, a pale purple, kind of another reddish mauve, and then we've got another kind of mauvey purple, another darker pink, kind of an off-white, a coral color, another mulberry, slightly darker, a dark purple, a turquoise, a slightly lighter turquoise, and a light turquoise. And then we've got 2 shades of peach, kind of a peachy yellow, and then this one is more like a mustardy peach yellow. Then we've got, of course, some white. And then we have all of our ABs. So let me put all of these away and then we'll look at our ABs and where they go on the canvas. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so in looking at these, I've only got 4 ABs. It does say 5 on the sticker here, but I only have 4 stickers listed for ABs and same on the schematic, so that must just be a misprint. Okay, so we have this very kind of electric blue AB. That's super pretty. I'm gonna guess it goes in her eyeballs, but let me look. Interesting, it actually does not go on her eyeballs. It goes over here and it goes on one of the little dots on her headband. That's where this one goes. Then we have our yellow AB, and this one is in the sunflower here. There's some on the band-aid on her nose. It looks like there's some in the star up there, some on the moon that's on the kitty's forehead, which is up here, some on her fingernails. Doesn't look like there's any in her bow, however. All right, and then we have a light purple AB. And this one pretty much goes in her fingerless glove down here. It also goes in various places on her little headband up at the top. I don't see any in her eyes so far. All right, and then our last AB is this orange AB. And it goes here on this fingernail. There's some over here on kind of these sun rays. There's some over here on the sunflower. Some down on her collar at the bottom. So interesting. It doesn't look like there are any ABs in her eyes at all. So I might switch that out, especially since some of these are going to be white. I definitely have white ABs that I know I can substitute in there. And maybe I'll find some blue ones or something in there that I can substitute as well. And then all the little fun clips that she has in her hair, if I can find any ABs to substitute for that, I might do that as well. So 60 colors with 4 ABs. So we've got our stickers, we've got our toolkit, and we've got our canvas, and of course our drills. This one is so super colorful. I can't wait to get started. Like I said, I've loved this image since the very first time I saw it. I'm so excited that I am going to be able to do this one. I really thought I had missed my chance when Mary's Diamonds closed, so I'm super glad that Bella Art picked up this artist again and I was able to snag this one. I will, as always, stick a link to the kit down below. I don't know if this one is still going to be available or if they sold out, but Bella Art does amazing stuff. So even if this one isn't available, I'm sure they've got something else that you can check out that you would enjoy. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.